Dear students, so today we are going to deal about the heterotrophic nutrition. In the earlier class, we have already done about the autotrophic nutrition and the different modes of heterotrophic nutrition, that is holozoic nutrition, saprophytic nutrition and parasitic nutrition. So we know what is an holozoic nutrition, in which the organism takes the complex food and digests them inside their body. So before coming to nutrition in amoeba, we are going to see about the process of digestion. The digestion process can be of two types. It can be extracellular or it can be intracellular. When the digestion of the food occurs outside the body of an organism, it is called as extracellular digestion, which occurs in bacteria and fungi, that is mostly in lower organisms. Whereas when the digestion of a food occurs inside the body of an organism, it is called as intracellular organism, and it occurs in animals, amoeba, human beings, etc. So next, coming to the nutrition in amoeba, as we know that amoeba is a unicellular organism and it is a pleomorphic. Pleomorphic means which can change its shape. It is irregular in shape. So when we talk about a unicellular organism, all the process is a very simple one. Why? Because in unicellular organism, each and every requirement can be fulfilled by the process of simple diffusion. Why? Because the organism's body is in direct contact with the environment. So very easily throughout the surface it can take food, it can take oxygen, or even it can excrete the waste. But when we talk about multicellular organism, as the organism's body is not in direct contact with the environment, that is each and every cell is not in contact with the environment, so they have a specialized organ to perform a specific function. Just go through with the text that is written in the red also. So coming to the uptake of nutrition in amoeba. So as soon as the amoeba cell receives a food signal from its environment, it starts to flow its cytoplasm towards that food signal, which results in the formation of a enlarged structure that is called as what? Pseudopodia. Pseudo means false, poda means feet. That how it looks like, that the amoeba is moving towards the food with the help of a false feet. Next, what happened? This elongation of pseudopodia occurs until it reaches the food particle. As it reaches the food particle, it engulfs the food particle, and the food particle is engulfed in the food vacuole region, where the digestive enzymes are present which digest the food, and the nutrient is diffused inside the cytoplasm of the amoeba, whereas the waste material, undigested food, is excreted or diffused in the environment through the food vacuole only. So this is how the nutrition or the uptake of amoeba takes place. Thank you.